Testosterone, the hormone that defines strength, energy, and masculinity, plays a vital role in every man's overall health. It supports muscle growth, stamina, focus, and even mood. But what many men don't realize is that this powerful hormone can quietly decline over time, not just because of age, but because of the foods they eat every single day. I am Dr. Anglina Dcosta, a respected urologist and men's health expert. In today's video I will expose the truth about how certain fruits can silently destroy your testosterone levels, while others can restore it naturally and fast. You'll learn which everyday fruits you should avoid, and which ones to include in your diet to feel stronger, more energized, and more confident again. This isn't about pills, supplements, or expensive treatments. It's about understanding how nature can either work for you or against you. With simple, science-backed explanations, I will help you take charge of your hormones the natural way. Stay tuned till the end. The right information could help you reclaim your vitality and live with renewed energy at any age. But before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our trusted health advice, made especially for seniors and caregivers. Let's get started. Firstly, let's understand what causes testosterone loss in men. Testosterone is the key hormone that fuels a man's energy, strength, confidence, and drive. But as men grow older, it's natural for testosterone levels to slowly decline. Still, age isn't the only reason behind this drop. Lifestyle and daily habits play a much bigger role than most people realize. According to me, poor nutrition, lack of sleep, chronic stress, and limited physical activity are some of the biggest culprits. High sugar intake and processed foods raise insulin and cortisol, two hormones that directly interfere with testosterone production. Excess body fat, especially around the belly, converts testosterone into estrogen, leading to fatigue, mood swings, and reduced stamina. Even common habits, like excessive alcohol, smoking, or staying up late can disturb the body's natural rhythm and reduce hormone balance. Environmental toxins, found in plastics, deodorants, and pesticides, known as endocrine disruptors, also affect hormone health. The good news is that testosterone loss can be reversed naturally. By improving diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, and getting enough rest, men can protect and even restore healthy testosterone levels, feeling stronger, sharper, and more confident at any age. Next, let's see the 4 fruits that destroy testosterone. Many men believe that eating more fruit automatically means better health. But according to me, not every fruit is friendly to male hormones. Some fruits, when eaten too often, or in the wrong form, can silently lower testosterone, the key hormone that drives strength, confidence, and vitality. Let's look at 4 common fruits that can quietly destroy testosterone if not consumed wisely. 1. Processed fruit juices. Those colorful cartons in stores may look healthy, but most are packed with refined sugar and preservatives. High sugar intake increases insulin resistance and triggers inflammation, which suppresses natural testosterone production. Real fruits are fine, but skip the packaged juice. 2. Dried fruits, like raisins and apricots. Dried fruits are concentrated in fructose and calories. When eaten excessively, they raise blood sugar and promote fat storage, especially belly fat, which increases estrogen and lowers testosterone. Moderation is the key. 3. Licorice-based fruit products. Certain fruit candies, herbal mixes, or teas use licorice root for flavor. Licorice contains glycyrrhizin, a compound shown to reduce testosterone levels when consumed regularly. 4. Soy-infused fruit drinks or desserts. Some fruit-flavored smoothies and desserts use soy milk as a base. Soy contains phytoestrogens that mimic female hormones, leading to a hormonal imbalance and reduced testosterone over time. I have discussed that these foods are not bad, but their frequent or excessive use can harm men's hormonal health. To protect testosterone, men should choose fresh, whole fruits over processed or sugar-loaded ones. A simple shift in your fruit choices can help you maintain stronger energy, better stamina, and a healthier hormone balance naturally. Next, let's move on to 4 fruits that boost testosterone fast. Testosterone is often described as the fuel that keeps men energetic, strong, and motivated. While many turn to supplements or medications to raise their levels, nature already provides powerful foods that can help, especially certain fruits. According to me, these 4 fruits can naturally support and boost testosterone production when included regularly in your diet. Number 1 on our list is pomegranate. Known for centuries as a symbol of fertility and vitality, pomegranate is rich in antioxidants that improve blood flow and lower stress hormones. Studies show it can raise testosterone levels by supporting healthy circulation and reducing oxidative damage to hormone-producing cells. Number 2. Avocado. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, vitamin E, zinc, and magnesium, all vital nutrients for testosterone production. These nutrients help maintain hormonal balance, protect the heart, and support reproductive health. Number 3. Bananas. Bananas contain the enzyme bromelain and vitamin B6, both known to help the body produce testosterone naturally. They also regulate dopamine, a feel-good chemical that enhances focus, energy, and drive. Number 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. These colorful fruits protect the testes from free radical damage. Their antioxidants improve blood flow, lower inflammation, and help maintain stable testosterone levels. I recommend eating these fruits fresh, not as sugary juices or processed snacks. A simple daily mix of berries, half an avocado, or a glass of pomegranate juice can help men feel stronger, more active, and youthful again. Small dietary changes, when done consistently, can lead to big improvements in hormone balance, confidence, and vitality. No chemicals, no side effects, just the power of nature. Bonus tip for all my viewers. As men cross the age of 50, the body's metabolism slows down, muscle mass begins to decline, and hormone levels naturally shift. But with the right nutrition, men can stay strong, energetic, and youthful well into their later years. Men over 50 should focus on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish the body from within. Include plenty of lean protein, fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and healthy fats like olive oil and avocado. Limit sugar, fried foods, and alcohol, as they interfere with testosterone and heart health. Hydration is equally important. Water supports circulation, kidney function, and energy levels. A daily walk, quality sleep, and stress control also play key roles in maintaining hormonal balance. I will emphasize, good health isn't about restriction, it's about smart choices. Eat clean, move daily, and let your body thank you with lasting strength and vitality. So there you have it, viewers. Taking care of your testosterone health isn't about quick fixes or expensive supplements, it's about awareness and balance. As a doctor, I remind all of you, small consistent lifestyle changes can bring powerful results over time. Choosing the right foods, getting enough rest, staying active, and managing stress are the real secrets to maintaining energy and masculinity as you age. By avoiding fruits and foods that quietly harm your hormones, and adding those that naturally boost testosterone, you can take control of your health without depending on artificial solutions. Your body has an incredible ability to heal and restore itself when given the right support. Remember, feeling strong, confident, and vibrant isn't just for the young. It's for every man who chooses to live smarter and take charge of his well-being. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep learning. Your best years can still be ahead of you. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips, designed especially for seniors who want to stay healthy, strong, and independent. May you continue to walk with strength, energy, and joy. Until next time, take care of yourself, you deserve it. Thanks for watching.